Hey, welcome back to CBKdesignco. My name is Jasmine and I make digital planner stickers over on Etsy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use some of those stickers doing a memory planning spread. So this time I am using the Fiesta 2024 kit for May, and I am bringing in the glitter flags just to cover up these box spaces and add a little bit more color to the spread. Now I'm bringing in the weekly tags, and I will bring in the number bubbles as well. This memory spread is for the week of April 29th through May 5th. I originally put the number bubbles down at the bottom, but then I figured it would look better at the top and leave more space for decorating, so I went ahead and moved that over. And now I can go ahead and get started filling in the memory spread. So on Monday, my son was homesick, so I just brought in the stethoscope icon to mark that. And then I cleaned the kitchen. I haven't used this layout before for memory planning, so I'm trying to figure it out with this. I'm able to fit like 2, maybe 3 things per box, so let me know if you like this style or the way I was doing it before better. So now I'm just bringing in the makeup icon because I needed to get ready on this day, so I did my hair and makeup, and then we went to get our passports. I had an appointment for that. I'm super excited to finally take the kids on a vacation this summer, so we had to go all get passports. Then we did some grocery shopping, so I brought in the shopping cart icon for that. And for dinner we had tacos, which worked perfectly with this kit because I had a really cute taco sticker to use. On Tuesday, I played some Dreamlight Valley, so I brought in the video game icon to mark that. I hadn't been playing for a while, but the new update was coming out this week, so I went ahead and started playing again and fell in love with it all over. So I've been playing that every day. And then I'm going to bring in the iPad icon to mark that I did some work in my planner and then made a YouTube video, which was the May plan with me. And then I'm going to bring in the tool icon to mark that I built a tiki hut in my son's room. He's going for a stitch vibe, so I got some PVC pipes and some hula skirts, and it turned out so cute. I'm really happy with the way that turned out, and he is too. I am almost done with his room, and then I can move on to my son's room. I'm also going to bring in the laundry basket icon to mark that I did some laundry this day, and then I also restocked my dog's food. We make her food homemade, so I bought a bunch of chicken and veggies to go ahead and restock for the month. And then my kids just started back in jiu-jitsu. They love it so much, so I brought in the little weights icon to mark like a workout. And then I brought in the Kindle icon to mark my reading for the evening, and for dinner we had steak and rice. On Wednesday, I went ahead and brought over the video game icon again and the cleaning the kitchen. And then on this day, I built some shelves for my other son's room, and the kids had jiu-jitsu again, so I just brought that over. and I did some more reading, so I brought my Kindle sticker over as well. And then I wanted to add some more decor pieces throughout, so I moved things over a little bit to fit 3 to this box, and then added a decor piece to the bottom. And for dinner we had Chick-fil-A, so I just brought in the takeout bag as well. On Thursday, we stopped at a donut shop on the way to take the kids to school and had breakfast there. And so I just brought in the coffee icon to mark that, and then I brought in the video game icon again. And then I went over our bills and budget. This was the day after payday, so I just wanted to keep on track with that. So I brought in the bill icon to mark that as well. And then I watched Anyone But You on Netflix. It was really cute. I like that movie a lot. And then for dinner, I made cantaloupe pasta, so I brought in the dinner icon and just filled in the bottom space with that. My screen recording started to glitch out. I don't know why it does that sometimes, but on Friday I cleaned the living room, so I brought in the gloves icon for that, and then I brought in the popcorn to mark that I watched a show called Obliterated on Netflix. And then we went out to eat and did bowling and the arcade with the kids when they got out of school, so I brought in the dinner icon for that and marked the bowling with the card game. That's the only icon that I had that kind of matched with that. And then when we got home, I wasn't feeling too well, so the kids cleaned the kitchen for me, which was really nice. And then I laid in bed and read my Kindle, and that was it for Friday. On Saturday, my sister-in-law dropped her kids off, so I used the cart icon to mark that they got dropped off at our house, and then I brought in that deco piece again and marked that I took all of the kids to the park. And then the boys took a bath in the evening and splashed water everywhere, and I guess the baseboards weren't sealed properly, so the water was dripping down from the downstairs ceiling, and it went through a smoke alarm and it just set it off, and it would not stop going off. So we called the fire department to come and just make sure everything was good, and they unhooked it for us, and it was just this whole big fiasco. So that was super chaotic, and I brought in the propane icon to mark that, and then I brought in the pot to mark that we had chicken and corn for dinner once everything had calmed down. And then the cousins slept over that night, so I brought in the pillow and eye mask icon to mark that as well. On Sunday, the kids got picked up pretty early in the morning, and then I played games with my own kids throughout the day. It was nice and relaxing after all of the chaos. And in the evening, we did family movie night, and we watched Shrek 2 and Shrek 3 and ordered pizza for dinner. So I just marked that in the blue box down below. And you could probably notice throughout this video, I really wanted to use the piñata sticker. I think it's so cute, and I kept bringing it in and moving it out, and I finally found a place for it. So I just filled up the entire green box with it and marked that it was Cinco de Mayo. We didn't necessarily celebrate anything for it, but I did want to mark it down here as well. And then that is it for the week. Thank you so much for watching. I am glad to be back in the memory planning swing of things, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!